If you've ever tried to do real CAD work in Blender, you know the frustration? Oryx CAD fixes that. Oryx CAD is a professional-grade plugin for Blender that brings precision engineering tools directly into your 3D workflow. No switching apps, no compromises, just clean, fast, accurate geometry, right where you already work. Start with precision. Oryx CAD gives you real-time edge measurement directly in your viewport, so every dimension is intentional, not approximate. Need to adjust a part without destroying your topology? Object Stretch lets you scale elements with parametric control. Your model stays clean, always. Access a full library of ISO standard hardware, bolts, nuts, fasteners, parametrically placed and dimensionally accurate. Your assemblies are ready for the real world. This is where Oryx CAD stands apart. Real helical geometry. Actual mathematically correct helixes for threads. Not a workaround, the real thing. Create drilled holes, screwed inserts, and through holes with a single operation. Oryx CAD handles the geometry so you can focus on the design. Build functional gear assemblies directly in Blender. Parametric teeth count, pitch, and pressure angle. Mechanical design has never been this accessible. Placement is everything in CAD. Anchor Smart Snap lets you position components with magnetic precision. No manual coordinate entry, no guesswork. Assembling parts? Snap face-to-face, align surfaces instantly. The kind of workflow that takes minutes in other software, done in seconds here. Go beyond circular holes. Shape drilling lets you cut any profile into any surface, cleanly, non-destructively, and with full control over depth and direction. Boolean operations in Blender are notoriously messy. Combine cleanly solves that, merging geometry with a topology-aware algorithm that respects your mesh. Every serious CAD workflow needs quality control. Oryx CAD's Diagnostic tool scans your model for non-manifold geometry, overlapping faces, and structural issues before they become problems. And when issues are found, you don't just see them, you fix them. Clean Topo, Diagnostic, and Repair work together as a full quality pipeline. One click, clean mesh. exporting for manufacturing or collaboration, Simple Export handles the most common formats with optimized settings for real-world production pipelines. Need full control over your export? Global Export gives you complete configuration, file formats, scale, axis orientation, and batch processing in one place. Oryx CAD precision engineering tools for Blender, built for creators who don't want to compromise. One plugin, every tool you need.